Bella Padilla, inaming iniyakan ni Kim Chu ang demanda sa ate. Todo suporta si Bella Padilla kay Kim Chu, especially sa sitwasyong kinakaharap na problema ng kaibigan niya sa kapatid na si Lakim Chu. Yeah, I mean, I've known about it for quite some time, pag-amin ni Bella. Alam na ni Bella ang nangyari kay Kim bago pa man niya sampahan ng kaso sa korte si Lakim. Pahayag ni Bella, yeah, that's why I flew to Cebu a few months ago and I texted her on the day it came out in the news also, sabi ni Kim. I think it's harder kasi when people know about it because, obviously, everybody has something to say. That's one of the cons of the internet. So, I just didn't want her to be na parang, ayoko na, not just alone. Parang ayokong ma-feel niya na the world has something to say about what she's going through because obviously, you guys, we don't know all the details. So, I just didn't want the world to feel unfair to Kim. Tinext niya raw si Kim. Yeah, I texted her na if she needs anything I'm here. She knows that naman. Kumalat sa SOCMED na kay Bella daw umiyak ng husto si Kim. Madami naman, sambit ni Bella. I mean, she also has Kim has a very big support system. Kasi napaka-generous ni Kim na tao. So, marami kaming nakaantabay. Not just me. Angelica Panganiban was also there for her. Si Twinkle, her sister, her brothers are here in town. So, alam mo yun? Si Direk Lauren Jogi, lumipad din sa Cebu noong lumipad ako. So, marami po kaming naghihintay din na magsabi lang si Kim na kailangan ko ng tulong and we're ready. Dahil sa close friends sila. Marami ang nag-akala na alam ni Bella ang plano ni Kim na pagpa-file ng case against Lakim. No, I wasn't privy to everything she would do, tanggi ni Bella. Tinanong namin si Bella kung kumusta na si Kim ngayon. She's okay. She's working. Ang ganda ng The Alibi. Ang lakas ng suporta sa Alibi. So, si Kim naman I love her mindset na parang kung eto ang problema ko but I have to focus on this right now, then, I focus on this right now, sagot ni Bella. Speaking of Angelica Panganiban, parehong may entry sa 2025 Metro Manila Film Fest ang mga kaibigan ni Kim. May chance na parehong ma-nominate si Bella at Angelica sa kanilang respective MMFF entries this year. Ay, hindi ko po ginalingan masyado. Biro ni Bella, sakto lang po yung binigay ko dito. Gusto ko po lahat kami pantay-pantay. Woo, charot lang. But, syempre po binigay ko lang kung ano yung nararapat. Pero light lang naman po kasi yung character ko, diin ni Bella.